Imagine why his mahori agus a fasti a new tamad ag planail agus ag Janu raid on Fhéile Pádraig to preparing and getting ready for Fhéile Pádraig for St. Patrick's Day. Agus fecam an booster shock will an clan ag bunch salt more as ag fecans an barrage and Malia Clia looking at the parade in Dublin an telefish ta she'd in a sea sa Shumra Sea os core na telefisha ag fecans an barrage. Agus a stisa parage fecam a landini agus hagatana ag caihu glass agus áris agus boi agus ban agus ta she'd a leg ag Celiúrú our nave actual they're celebrating our local saint or our nave patronac, sorry, our patron saint, Nave Pádraig, St. Patrick. Agus Celiúr an Mudjala Fhéile Pádraig an Seachtú La Jeg, the V Martha, a Gaflian. We celebrate St. Patrick's Day every 17th of March every year. Agus tá lan focal buncha lesh our Nave Patronac. There's a lot of words associated with our national saint. Agus Cudge Doive, these are some of them. And Shamrock, the Shamrock, Hatta, glass, Hatta and Leprechaun, the green hat of the Leprechaun, Neve Pádraig, a faint, St. Patrick himself, Tadini ag Celiúrú, agus ag Marshall, people are celebrating and dancing ag Dausa, agus ag Marshall marching. Shaw Brat na Heron, the Irish flag, ta she glass, ban agus áiristeach, it's green, white and gold. Ta ban a ceolig, Shannon Sapraj, there is a music band playing in the parade, agus ta she ag Marshall, he's marching, agus ag Shannon and Trumpa war playing the big trumpet there, agus ta an Cailín Shaw ag bunch salt as an Ceol, she's enjoying the music, agus ta she dowside. Agus Shaw an Bana Ceol, the band, and Shaw an Leprechaun, Larry the Leprechaun. Agus ta ribini in a lavig na dausori, they have got ribbons in their hands, agus ta she Janu iad, agus Casu iad Susan there, twirling them in the air. Shaw an Boabashti, agus that's the rainbow, agus egg bun and boabashti at the bottom of the rainbow. Jerter go will pot or there's a golden pot of money. Arigid ag fanacht and dinner as Phaedra law and pot or amshu whoever can find the pot of golden the pot of gold ag bun and boabashti at the bottom of the rainbow. Agus fecum go la an at shaw applaudиha. The place is packed with people. Ag and looked fecana, the audience or the people who are watching on are ag fecans an barrage. Agus stisa parage kumai, and then the parade as well. We know we see other things such as flota paraja, such as Flota, F-L-O fada T-A, Paraja, P-A-R-A fada I-D-E, agus fecin Mudjalan lan rodi ella dini ag dausa, agus ag ceol, agus ag shenam ceol, people dancing, playing music, and fecin siad tarakori, we see tractors, agus fecin Mudjalan dausori, we see lots of dancers, agus dini glais the sus mar puppetry war as big puppets, ag chact, Shees and Woher coming down the road. Agus Chain and Clan go léir a ma Hagen Barrage go hatchul come out. Lots of us go out locally in our own areas with our families to watch the parade. Agus bunin sheet sport agus sprias they enjoy and have lots of fun at it. Am Nivian and I'm sure raw why sometimes the weather isn't too good, Marta as we all know. Mar fecum lochanishke, linishke, we see lots of little puddles, moher on the road, agus being shefur galore, so kahidini agoti, a who people must wear their coats, agus glasu suis go Charlie to dress up cosily, willish hatta agus scarf agus gafrod urt. Agus chroihan siad na bratacha na heron, they often wave the flags of Ireland. Celiúrú our Nave Patronac, again celebrating our our patron saint. Agus tá trí níomh patronach ag éireann. We have 3 patron saints in Ireland. Níomh Pádraig, níomh Colm Cillia, as dún na nál, cutting Colm Cill from Donegal, agus níomh Bríde St. Bridget ó Kildare from Kildare. So seo é ar gealúrú an seachtain seo. Bé me jig Janu Kumai Pashti and Iran Fhéile Pádraig. So we're just going to go to that now. Agus éisteach leis. So Fhéile Pádraig, Fhéile Pádraig, Fhéile Pádraig, hip hooray, big Shannon, big Marshall, Fhéile Pádraig, hip hooray. And it goes like this, boys and girls. Fhéile Pádraig, Fhéile Pádraig, Fhéile Pádraig, hip hooray, big Shannon, big Marshall, Fhéile Pádraig, hip hooray. Fhéile Pádraig, Fhéile Pádraig, Fhéile Pádraig, hip hooray. Big Shannon, big Marshall, Fhéile Pádraig, hip hooray. So that's our little Iran the Seachtaine, our little song of the week. We'll also do a few other poems and songs to do with it. Agus ag clack to Crubanasel, we'll be practicing as well. Shoe the donkey. Agus ag Janu ar dausa Kumai doing our little dance as well. So go to Chiad Mila Maiga de Fashti, agus Hish Mahori, agus the Sulogum Gurwinch of Salt as and Fishin Vig Shaw. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Slan.